Hey guys, welcome back. So obviously by what you guys saw in the title, today's video is gonna be an unboxing. So I literally just, well, probably like 2 hours ago, I received my new iPhone 15 Pro Max and I'm unboxing it with you guys. So yeah, let's get started. Oh yeah, also I ordered a case. Obviously I had to get the black one. Oh, actually, I don't even think it's black. I think the name of it is Midnight. Last time when I filmed the video and I said that it was just the regular black one, someone got mad and someone was like, it's this color. The phone is right here. But yeah, so I haven't opened it, so let's open it up. Okay, this is gonna be interesting. Okay. Oop. Literally the guy was like, this is all I've been delivering today, like new phones. And I'm like, I didn't think it was that much. Ooh, okay, well, the box is empty. And the phone. Oh my god. Okay, so right now I have the 13 Pro Max, obviously, again, all black. So of course I had to get the new one, all black again. But okay, let's open it up. So, the little thingies. Watch me drop it. Oh, these used to be more satisfying. What happened? These weren't paper before. Okay, so that's already something different. It has dust, so I mean, I guess, but this is what it looks like. Does it look exactly the same? Oh well, let me take the case off of my phone right now. Oop, when I almost dropped it. Okay, so this is my phone right now. This is what it looks like, and this is the new one. So I think the camera is a little bit bigger on this one, and again, this one is like a little bit more shiny. This one is like more matte, but honestly, they kind of look exactly the same. So yeah. Okay, oh yeah, it comes with the new charger. So I know that this one isn't the fastest one, but I have the Switch, so I'm pretty sure that if that one charges my phone faster, then I'm just gonna use that one. But oh my god. But yeah, so if it charges better with my Switch charger, then I'm just gonna use that one and just leave this one like this. But if not, then I'll probably end up getting the faster one. Yeah, but it just comes with this and the stickers. That is literally it. Okay, so the phone. Okay, I really like how like the sides are. I really like this. It's definitely more rounded. So I thought I wasn't gonna like it once they said that, because I really like the square, like how square this one is. Again, let me show. I shouldn't have put the case back on, honestly, because I'm just gonna keep showing you guys. But okay, like this one, the edges are way like sharper, right? This one, they're way more curved, and I thought I wasn't gonna like it because I don't know, I just thought it was gonna look bubbly and ugly, but I honestly really like it, and it's definitely way lighter than my phone right now. Yeah, definitely. Okay, maybe not way lighter, but it's lighter. But let's do the best part. Literally the only reason why I watch these videos is for this. So this is just paper. Damn, Apple really, like, what's going on? But whatever. Okay, let's peel it off. Ready? Okay, before I turn it on or anything, let me put my case on and my screen protector. So for my screen protectors, I just got them from Amazon. It's these, the screen protector glass one touch. It comes with a 2-pack like this, and it comes with like the thingy so I can like put it on easier, which I hope it helps because I usually don't put them on right. So hopefully that thing helps. Okay, definitely made it way easier. This, thank God for this. So this is what it looks like. I love how they smell. Oh my god. Okay, so it's on. They literally look exactly the same. Look at this. This, my old one, new one. Literally the only difference is that this one, like around the cameras, oh, not anymore. With the light, it reflects different. But I mean, you can obviously tell. Oh, is it a little bit bigger? No, I thought it was. The only thing I don't like about those screen protectors is that it kind of left the little marks. Like, let me see if you guys can see. But like, you guys can see the little lines right there that it left. I don't like that. Hopefully I can take them off. Let me try this. Okay, now let's turn it on. Sorry, I'm doing it for the thumbnail, but okay, like I said, I'm not gonna set it up on camera because there's literally no point. Like, you know, it's just my phone setup. But also I think I left like a little thing on the screen protector, but whatever, I guess you can't really tell. But yeah, so this is it, guys. I am so excited. Yay. Yeah, so this is pretty much it for today's video. I just really wanted to show you guys the phone. So yeah, thank you guys so much for watching and keeping up, and I really hope to see you guys in the next video. Bye, guys.